The natural order hypothesis. The natural order hypothesis is a theory proposed by linguist Stephen Krashen that suggests that there is a natural order in which language learners acquire grammatical structures in a second language. According to the natural order hypothesis, second language learners acquire grammatical structures in a predictable sequence, regardless of the order in which they are presented in a language program or curriculum. Krashen argued that this sequence is innate and reflects the way in which language is acquired by children learning their first language. The natural order hypothesis proposes that certain grammatical structures are easier for learners to acquire than others. For example, learners typically acquire the present tense of a language before the past tense, and they acquire basic sentence structures before more complex structures. Krashen suggested that this natural order is based on the complexity of the grammatical structure and the cognitive maturity of the learner. The natural order hypothesis has important implications for language teaching. Teachers can use this knowledge to design language instruction that is aligned with the natural order of acquisition. They can focus on teaching structures that are more difficult for learners to acquire and avoid spending too much time on structures that are easier. This can help learners to develop a solid foundation in the language and progress more quickly in their language development. Overall, the natural order hypothesis is a theory that helps to explain how second language learners acquire grammatical structures in a predictable sequence. It highlights the importance of aligning language instruction with the natural order of acquisition to help learners develop proficiency in a second language.